Bonjour tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, vous allez apprendre à former le passé composé des verbes en RE. Today, you're going to learn how to form the past tense of regular RE verbs in French. Vous êtes prêts? Vous avez votre cahier? Vous avez votre crayon ou votre stylo? Bon, commençons. So, just to recap quickly, to form the passé composé of regular ER verbs, well, first of all, you're going to use the verb avoir for all three types of verbs. To form the past participle of regular ER verbs, remember you just drop the R and add an accent aigu to the E, and that gives you the past participle, which you use along with the conjugated form of avoir. To put IR verbs in the passé composé, again, you're going to use the helping verb avoir. To form the past participle, you drop the R. For example, on finir becomes fini, choisir becomes choisi. No accent is needed, just drop the R, and you have the past participle of a regular IR verb. So today, we're going to be forming the passé composé of regular RE verbs. Okay, so passé composé du verbe vendre. Okay, so vendre is one of the RE verbs that we learned. Vendre means to sell. So we already learned the present tense. I sell, you sell, we sell, she sells. Today we're doing the past tense. So I sold or I have sold. You sold or you have sold, etc. So we're still using the helping verb avoir. So j'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. To form the past participle of an RE verb is also quite simple. Drop the RE and replace it with the letter U. And that's it. Okay, so vendu means sold. So j'ai vendu means I have sold, or simply I sold. J'ai vendu. Okay, you're talking to your friend. Tu as vendu means you have sold or simply you sold. Il a vendu. He has sold or he sold. Elle a vendu. She has sold or she sold. Nous avons vendu. We have sold or simply we sold. Vous avez vendu. You all have sold. You guys have sold. Or you could use it to talk to a teacher or some other adult. Madame, vous avez vendu. Madame, you have sold, whatever. Or simply, you sold. Ils ont vendu, masculine or mixed form, they have sold or they sold. And elles ont vendu, feminine form of they have sold or they sold. Okay, our second example of conjugating an RE verb in the passé composé is the verb perdre. Okay, that's another verb that ends in RE. Perdre means to lose. Okay, so the past tense and the past participle of to lose both happen to be the same. In English, it's lost. Okay, today I lose, yesterday I lost, in the past I have lost. Okay, so again we're using the conjugation of avoir plus the past participle of perdre, which you form by dropping the RE and replacing it with you. J'ai perdu. J'ai perdu. I have lost or I lost. Tu as perdu. You have lost or you lost. Il a perdu, elle a perdu. He or she has lost or he or she lost. Nous avons perdu. We have lost or simply we lost. Vous avez perdu. You all have lost or you lost. Ils ont perdu, elles ont perdu. They have lost or they lost. Okay, let's look at one more example. This time we're using the regular RE verb attendre. Attendre, remember, means to wait. Attendre, or to wait for. So again, we're using our conjugation of the verb avoir, followed by the past participle of attendre, which you form by dropping the RE and replacing it with a U. So j'ai attendu means I have waited or I waited. J'ai attendu. Tu as attendu. You have waited or you waited. Il a attendu. Elle a attendu. He or she has waited or he or she waited. Nous avons attendu. We have waited or we waited. Vous avez attendu. You all have waited or you waited. Ils ont attendu or elles ont attendu. They, masculine or feminine, depending on whether you use il or elle, they have waited or simply they waited. Okay, so that is how you form the passé composé of a regular RE verb. Remember, drop the RE on the infinitive and replace it with a U. That will give you the past participle, and tack that on to the conjugation of avoir according to the subject that you want to use. Bon, c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Au revoir et bonne journée.